In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dash cards to track your other cards in your Trello board. Let's dive right into the process to make your project management even more seamless with this handy feature. First things first, you'll want to spot the rocket ship icon located at the top right of your Trello board. This is your gateway to adding new features and expanding your board's capabilities. Go ahead and click on that icon. Once you've done this, you'll be presented with an option that reads Add Power-Ups. Click on it. Power-ups in Trello are essentially plugins. They are developed by third-party developers and are designed to enhance the functionality of your Trello board. Now, in the list of available power-ups, you'll want to search for a specific one called Dashcard. Simply type Dashcard into the search bar, and once you locate it, click on the Add button right next to it. Trello will prompt you to authorize this feature to your Trello account, particularly if it's your first time adding it. This is a straightforward process, and it ensures that your Dashcards can access the necessary data on your board to function properly. Once you've successfully authorized Dashcard, you'll notice a new button added at the top right of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Click on this new button, and it will open up a selection of templates for you to choose from. These templates are like dashboards that visualize your card statistics in various insightful ways. For instance, you might want to see cards assigned to you, cards that are due this week, or even cards with a red label, among other options. However, if you feel adventurous or have specific tracking needs, you can create your very own custom dash card from scratch. This is done by selecting the Customize option, giving you the flexibility to tailor the dash card to your exact preferences. If you find a pre-made template that suits your needs, just hover over it. You will see an option to either customize it further or simply track it. If you choose to track, it will be immediately placed on your board, ready to provide valuable insights at a glance. And there you have it. Adding dash cards to your Trello board is a straightforward way to keep track of your tasks efficiently. Whether you're using the handy templates or designing your own from scratch, dash cards offer a streamlined and interactive way to manage your workload. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!